Thank you for joining us on this Monday night and welcome to AccuWeather Prime. I'm Melissa Constanzer and we've got video coming in from all over the world. There's been some parades through England for St. Patrick's Day, Green River in Chicago. Head to Iceland, and we do have that volcano that we've been covering. And meanwhile, some of the devastation over the weekend as many try to clean up after the aftermath of tornadoes from late last week. We'll have more on that in a moment, but our top story tonight, as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning, most of that activity really is not very prominent throughout the day, but there will still be some snow showers through upstate New York and also into the tip of the mid of Michigan. Chicago, minor delays mostly because of the wind as we head throughout the day. Los Angeles, though, looking good. However, in the southwest, got this low pressure system still kind of hanging out. A little bit of energy there does allow for some minor delays. Places like Phoenix with some of those rain showers out there for the morning. Chicago, like I said, it's about the winds. Same thing for Indianapolis. Could be a pretty windy pattern here as we try to drag in some more cold air in places, or at least skirt it by into the northeast, which allows for some snow showers from Montreal into Buffalo. So minor delays there. This is all a part of that activity with the wind and the snow showers that will create minor delays tomorrow morning. So yellow light for your commute there. Also places like Phoenix, Arizona, where we get a shower or two. As you work your way from New York to Washington, D.C., no problems. Let's see what's going on around our world. And tonight we begin in western China, where more than 1,500 firefighters are battling wildfires. Let's take you into your weekend because we are looking at some changes, a little bit more moisture pushing in the east, and with this cold air in place, that's going to create some snow showers across the north central. So we are looking at snow slicing its way across the northern tier of the nation. Across the south, we've got wet weather. Heavy rainfall will be a problem along the Gulf Coast, so we'll be looking at a wet close to the week. And this actually will try to work its way up the East Coast as we head in next week. So that will be a bit of a problem as we get towards the weekend. But the snow in places like Minneapolis, central Wisconsin, we're looking at a few inches here. In the northeast, we've had cool air, snow showers still holding on for so many areas across the Great Lakes, the interior northeast. It's been a bit of a change. And this week, that pattern doesn't let up much. Tuesday, you'll find that we've got some snow working its way through southern Canada. It's a clipper system, and as it cuts its way on through, upstate New York gets the most of the snowfall in the United States. Buffalo, at times, some of that snow will be heavy enough to reduce visibilities, get the ground wet, but as far as accumulations are concerned, roadways largely too warm, so it would only be grassy surfaces really if we saw anything. Pittsburgh, snow showers possible for you. New York City, 48 for the high. It's a bit chilly compared to historical average this time of year. We want to get towards the 50s. But Wednesday, what happens? We get that storm system cutting through southern Canada to allow for not only more snow showers through the interior northeast, but a windy time around the Great Lakes. One thing you'll watch, a bit of a warm wedge coming back in. Places like Washington, D.C. will enjoy that. So you do have the snow showers still holding on as we head through your Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. And as we go into Tuesday night, a lot of snow potential out there with a couple bands across New England and into upstate New York. Throughout the day on Wednesday, we'll just watch for some more of that energy, and that energy will kick in another shot of colder air. So we're reinforcing things, which means it stays a little more wintry than across the northeast. That warm wedge, though, in Washington, D.C. puts us in the lower 60s for highs on Wednesday. Buffalo back to the mid-30s for you with some snow showers, in Burlington also looking at some snow. We will, by the end of the week, be talking about rainfall potential as we go into the end of March, too.